CQG Finance and Trade Honest Review Watch before using. Most people assume professional trading platforms are overly complex, but CQG aims to provide advanced tools with precision and reliability for serious traders. CQG is a financial platform that offers market data, charting, and trading solutions for futures, options, and fixed income products. One standout feature is its high-performance real-time data feeds, which ensure that traders receive accurate information for fast-moving markets. Most people get this wrong. They assume CQG is only for large institutions. The surprising truth is the platform supports both institutional and experienced retail traders. With advanced charting tools, automated trading strategies, and risk management functions, CQG empowers users to make informed trading decisions. Another advantage is reliability. CQG is known for uptime stability and robust connectivity to global exchanges, reducing delays or missed trading opportunities. Users can integrate CQG with third-party software for custom analysis and automated trading systems. However, there are considerations. CQG has a steep learning curve for beginners, and subscription costs can be high compared to simpler platforms. It's recommended for traders who need real-time market intelligence and advanced analytics rather than casual investing. In conclusion, CQG is a powerful platform for traders seeking precision, reliability, and advanced analytics. Its robust data feeds and professional tools make it a top choice for futures and options markets. Subscribe for more honest trading platform reviews before committing to a high-stakes financial tool.